Morning. Woke up to a beautiful morning. The phone says it's 31 at Roan Mountain. Oh, that's nearest, but I'm not sure if they're talking about a town or the mountain itself or what. But it definitely was near freezing last night. But it feels much better this morning than it did yesterday. And it will be much warmer today than yesterday. Today we'll get up to the 60s, so that'll be nice later on. But right now it's just beautiful out. Walking along this side slope. Looks like we're going to get some views and some waterfalls later today, so that'll be exciting. Haven't had anything but small waterfalls since we left the Amicalola Falls actually before the southern terminus. So, looking forward to the day. All that's left of the Over Mountain shelter, torn down a few years ago, and apparently that's where it used to stand. Great views here. It is recommended to come down to this tent area, even if you aren't going to tent here. Well, after a few nights of either no service or not good enough service to load a video, I'm behind on getting uploads. So I decided to try it while I walk across this bald. There's a few others coming up. I have 4G service here, but see what happens. Trying to catch up. View from Little Hump Mountain. Tennessee. 10:30 in the morning, still have all these little ice crystals, but they are shaded by the hill. Double signal here with the two blazes and the arrow. Wherever it takes to stay on track. hiking along the Elk River. Yes, we're at Mountaineer Falls Shelter. We even have a mascot here. Somebody has one of these chainsaw carved bears standing out here. I'm not sure who the heck carried that up. I guess that was one of the trail building crew. Well, this is an interesting shelter. Didn't realize it when we first walked up. It's got a typical little bench. They don't all have one this nice. Sometimes a picnic table. But a great bench there to sit and do whatever. Eat your food, cook your food. Got the first floor. There's Hummingbird. Go up to the second floor. And I'm going, what am I hearing up here? Is it the mice running away from me? No. Try to get up to the second floor without falling. It's got a little third floor. So there's 3 levels of sleeping in this one. About 10 minutes ago, I was sitting washing my feet off at the bench in the shelter, and we heard a crash in the woods, and that tree right there fell over. It's not huge diameter, especially up here at the top, but the thing must be 50, 60 feet tall. Oops. It's a pretty darn big tree. And it just fell down. Hopefully nothing bigger falls down out here, because there's lots of bigger trees.